Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, all-wheel drive, xenon headlights, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, DVD navigation system package. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.